Hello friend, welcome to Access Zombie Code. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a route from the user location to destination location. One of our viewer comment on our last video, he need help on his project to show the direction from his current location. So, this video definitely helpful for your project. I hope you and your friend like our video and subscribe our channel. Before starting today's video, let me show you what we are going to do in this video. In the previous map video, we create a map and give the map control option like zoom in, zoom out and added a button to trace the user location. In this video, we are going to add this scale option and this full screen button, and the most important is the route. For route, we added two fields, one is source and another one is destination, and given the option of the driving type like the traffic, driving, walking or cycle. When it's load first time, it will took to my current location, which is by default the source location, the coordinate location set in the field A, and if I click any place, it will show the route from my current location to that point. Here also you can see the approx distance from the source to destination and the approx time from source to destination. These are the route type. You can see currently it's showing the driving mode route option. If I click on the route, it's changed here, or I click the cycling option, it will change that cycling option route. In this way, we are going to use this route in our map. So let's create a project. In the YouTube Angular folder, I am going to create a new project. For that, the command ng-new and my project name is map_direction. Here the default route is no and my style sheet is CSS. So you can see the project is created successfully. Now let me open this project on the VS Code IDE and let me open that in VS Code. First I am copying all the code from the previous video because we are starting from that point. In this video I am not going to time take for those same code. So let me copy that first. First in the environment file, I put the access token of Mapbox. Then the CSS file. In the CSS file I put the CSS of our Mapbox. Then the HTML file. I am removing all the dummy code and paste the Mapbox HTML. Now I am import the Mapbox.gl. For that the command is npm install mapbox-gl space save. Once the Mapbox is installed in this project, then I will add the component.ts file code. So now let me add the component.ts file code. So in the app.component.ts file, I added the previous video code, and let's run this project to check is it working or not. Once we verify this, is it the same code, then we'll start our today coding. So it's look like similar to our previous video, and let's start our today coding. First, we are going to add the scaling option. So, for the scaling option, the command is this dot map dot add control bracket and inside the bracket new mapbox-gl dot scale control and the location will be bottom right. Let's check. Here you can see the scaling option. Now the zoom is 200 km. If I zoom to my current location, then the scale is 5 km. Then I have to add a full screen option. For the full screen button, the command is this dot map dot control and bracket inside the bracket new and mapbox-gl dot full screen and the option will be top right. So let's check this also. Here you can see the full screen option is available in our map. Till now we added this scale and the full screen option. Once we click in the find my location button, then it will navigate to our current position. So let's first print the current location coordinate. First, I create a reference variable for the geolocate controller. Geolocate equal to this, and here geolocate and top right. So I just create a variable for this geolocate controller. Here I am creating a function for print the coordinate location of the current user. So for that the function name will be function and the name will be locate user. The log I am going to print e first the longitude. For that the command is e dot longitude and for latitude e dot core dot. So I will call this function when geolocate is on. Geolocate dot on and the function. So let's check is it working or not. When the project is loading, that time it's not navigate directly. I have to manually do that. So let's do that first automatic. For that the command will be this dot map dot on and load the function and the bracket. Inside the function bracket it will trigger. So geolocate dot trigger. Now let's check. When it's loaded, directly navigate to our current location. Once I click this button, it should be print the coordinate of my current location. So let me check where is the problem, why it's not printing in the console. So I forget to install the geolocation code. So let's install that first and we will check is it working or not. So after load, it will directly navigate to my current location and in the console, it's printing the longitude and latitude. So now the root part. I have to install the Mapbox direction. For that, the command is npm install @mapbox. I will share the import link and the CSS link in the description. So first, I have to import that Mapbox direction in this code. So the command is import. Let me copy this and I will change Mapbox direction, and the link will be Mapbox direction. It's showing an error, so we have to do some changes in our config file. Here I have to change the string to false and all these options are false. Now the error is gone from here and our project also compiled successfully. So let's add the direction. I am creating a variable var and direction equal to new mapbox direction, and inside the bracket first I will set the unit. Unique is matrix, then profile is mapbox driving, and the container and the steps. I added all the command inside the mapbox. Now I have to add this mapbox direction in the map controller. So this dot map dot add control and direction, and the location will be top left. So let's check the direction will be appear in our map or not. So you can see there are two places. One is A and another one is B. A is the source and B is the destination. I said the default profile is driving, so its driving option will be selected. Now if I click anywhere, it will took as a place A or source place, and if I click in the second place, then it will set as the destination point, but it's currently not showing the route. For that we have to add another function. So the function is map on and bracket. Inside the bracket it will load and the function will be called. So here if navigator geolocation is true, then it will be do some work. So here navigator dot geolocation dot get current position, and here function position direction dot set origin. So let me first add this and I will explain. So what I did here, first I am checking if the navigation location is true, means my current location is showing in the screen. In that case, it will set the origin location, means the source location, which is my current location. So let's check how is it worked. So on the load, it will navigate to my current location, and if I select the second place, then it will show the route, and I can select traffic option from here. Also I can zoom in and zoom out from this button. You can see the scale here. I can maximize the screen also, and I can put the destination location and source location. So if I want to travel Ahmedabad, then my destination point will be set Ahmedabad and it will show the route. If I am going to through cycle, then this is the route. If I am driving, then it will change the route, which is the best route for the driving option. Also, if you don't want to set your current position as a source point, then cancel this and set the current location. Here, if I put Rajkot, now my source point is Rajkot and my destination is Ahmedabad. Here you can see the approx distance and the approximate time from source A to source B. So in this way you can use the Mapbox route. So this is about the Mapbox routing. So friend, if this video helpful to you, then please like and subscribe our channel.